Now we come to the next question, question number 6. The village having population of 4,000 requires 150 liters of water per head per day. Per head per day means one person in one day needs 150 liters of water. It has a tank measuring 20 meter by 15 meter by 6 meter. For how many days will the water this tank last? Means for how many days the persons will take water from this tank. Now requirement of water per head per day for one person per day is 150 liters. It is given 150 liters. Now total requirement of water for whole village per day is 150 into 4,000 because total number of persons in the village are 4,000. We have multiplied it and then we divide it by 1,000 to convert it into cubic meters. It becomes 600 cubic meters. Now for tank, L is 20 meter, H is 6 meter, breadth is 15 meter. So capacity of tank is 20 into 15 into 6, 18,000 cubic meters. Means this much water can be occupied in the tank, and this is the water that is needed by 4,000 person in one day. Then number of days for which the water of the tank will last. It is capacity of tank divided by requirement of water for the total population of village per day, or we can say that 600 cubic meter of water is needed in one day. Then 1 cubic meter of water is needed in 1 upon 600 and 1800 cubic meter of water is needed in 1 upon 600 multiplied by 1800. Or we can say capacity of tank divided by requirement of water for the total population of village per day. It is 1800 divided by 600 means 3 days. The water will last for 3 days. Now the next question is question number 7. Question number 7 is a go down requires 40 meter by 25 meter by 15 meter. A go down measures 40 meter by 25 meter by 15 meter. Find the maximum number of wooden crates, each measuring 1.5 meter by 1.25 meter by 0.5 meter that can be stored in godown. गोडाउन मीन्स गोदाम, जोन से हिंदी में गोदाम बोलते हैं. नाउ व्हाट इज द मेजरमेंट ऑफ दिस गोडाउन? इट इज लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ एंड हाइट. एंड फॉर द क्रेट्स दैट वी आर टू पुट इन दिस गोडाउन इज 1.5 मीटर length, breadth and height. Now for godown, length is 40 meter, breadth is 25 meter, height is 15. Then capacity is 14 to 25 into 15. It is 15,000 cubic meters. For wooden crate, for one wooden crate, the capacity of the wooden crate, that is volume of the one wooden crate, is L into B into H. It is 0.9375 cubic meters. Now 15,000 divided by 0.9375, it is 16,000, as maximum number of wooden crates can be stored in are 16,000, because this is the volume that is needed for one wooden crate. This is the volume for one wooden crate. Then for one divided by 0.9375, then 15,000 is equal to 15,000 by 0.9375, it is 16,000. Number of crates are 16,000. Then we come to question number 8. A river 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide is flowing at rate of 2 km per hour. How much water will fall into the sea in a minute? The river is flowing 2 km in 1 hour it is flowing a distance of 2 kilometer in 1 hour. Deep means height of the river. 40 meter means width of the river, and this 2 kilometer is length of the water that is taken by the river in 1 hour. The water that is going to a length of 2 kilometer in 1 hour. In 1 hour, length is 2 kilometer, that is 2 into 1000, 2000 meter. B is 40 meter and height is 3 meter. What does it mean? That the water in the river that is flowing will go to a length of 2 kilometer in 1 hour. Therefore, we have taken length 2 kilometer for 1 hour. So, water fill into the sea in 1 hour, L into B into H. It is 2000 into 40 into 3. So, water fell into the sea in 1 hour is L into B into H. Means in 60 minutes it is moving. It means that for 60 minutes the volume is 2000 into 40 into 3, and for 1 minute it will be 2000 to 40 into 3 divided by 60. It is 4000 cubic meters. Hence 4000 cubic meter of water will fall into the sea in a minute.